me what poetry tries to say with the word. You are the song, all the music my heart ever heard. I can't escape the air that I breathe, even speaks of you. And I'm not ashamed to say that I feel this way. I will stand before God, give you all that I've got. I can promise you I'll be true. I reveal here and now as we both take this vow. I am so in love with you. Words can't express what I confess with each beat of my heart. I'm overwhelmed with the passion I felt from the start. Our love will grow as the years come and go. I'll remain by your side. Oh yes, I will. There isn't anything that I would deny. I will stand before God, give you all that I've got. I can promise you I'll be true. I reveal it now as we both take this vow. I am so in love. I am so in love with you.
I promise to honor and cherish you, for better or for worse. I'll be there for you. For richer or for poor, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. From this day on and forever.
the first day when you smiled at me. You stepped to me and then you said to me, I was the woman you dreamed about. Remember the first day when you called my house. Remember the first day when you took me out. We had butterflies, although we tried to hide, and we both had a beautiful night. The way we had So